Hi, I'm Bob Merchant, Dr. Merchant, and I'd like to welcome you to Billings Clinic and to share the story of how Billings Clinic started and who we are today.
Billings Clinic has a rich history dating back to 1907, when Brother Van of the Methodist Church was called upon to bring Deaconess Hospital to the small community of Billings. Close to that time, in 1911, Dr. Arthur J. Mobius established a general medical practice in the Hart-Albin building downtown. In 1915, Dr. John Breidenbach joined Mobius to offer obstetrics and radiology, services setting the stage for what would become Montana's largest multi-specialty clinic. Deaconess Hospital opened in 1927 with 58 beds and a medical staff of 12 physicians and 16 nurses serving the needs of the growing community. By 1939, 3 more physicians joined the Mobius-Breidenbach Clinic. As a reflection of their team approach to medicine, the physicians became partners in the practice and changed their name to the Billings Clinic. The practice would later move to a new building across the street from Deaconess Hospital. Over the years, Deaconess Hospital expanded critical services, adding the first wing in 1952. During the 1960s and 70s, Deaconess Hospital and the Billings Clinic continued to expand services and capabilities, bringing many of the first specialties to Montana, including the first kidney dialysis and cancer treatment. In 1972, Montana's first open-heart surgical operation was performed at Deaconess Medical Center by a surgeon from the Billings Clinic. In 1993, the 2 organizations, then called Deaconess Medical Center and the Billings Clinic, became one integrated healthcare organization. At the time of the merger, Bob Nance, a community leader and oil and gas businessman, was chair of the Deaconess Medical Center Board of Directors.
The key to the success of this organization was the fact that a few docs had a real vision as to what they wanted their organization to look like. And that organization was a totally integrated system. Dr. Walter was far and away the most leading force there.
We had some difficult conversations. The vision that emerged was one of a group practice with a hospital partner, very much like a Mayo Clinic, or a Virginia Mason in Seattle, or a Geisinger in Pennsylvania.
Dr. Ron Smith, an internist and infectious disease specialist, became the first physician board chair of the integrated organization.
Well, being close neighbors, there's always been a really strong association between Deaconess Hospital and Billings Clinic. And so that the merger just made sense, I think, on both sides of the street, if you will. It was the right thing to do.
A focus on employee and physician engagement led to the creation of our personal service excellence journey and cornerstone principles, guiding us to the national reputation for excellence we have today.
Looking back at the integration, I think it was a phenomenally successful event, and we have been able to do so many more fantastic clinical endeavors that no one even thought about back then.
Today, Billings Clinic is Montana's largest health system, serving Montana, Wyoming, and the Western Dakotas. A not-for-profit organization led by a physician CEO, Billings Clinic is governed by a board of community members, nurses, and physicians. We are based in Billings with numerous regional partnerships. As our culture was evolving to a Mayo Clinic organizational model, we changed our name to Billings Clinic to better capture who we were becoming.
Our banner of distinction symbolizes it all: collaboration, hope, and inspiration.
Billings Clinic was an early adopter of system-wide digital radiology, and we became one of the first in the nation to implement one electronic medical record. Our dedication to innovation continues throughout the region. Patients can access their medical records, view medications and immunization records, as well as send secure messages to their providers through our patient portal.
No, you're telling me you saw 3 doctors in one day? No, I only got to see 1 doctor at a visit. Now I have to take those records over to the next guy, a week from now. What do you mean they all have your records? How do they do that? Wow.
We developed a state-of-the-art emergency and trauma center to serve our vast region, integrating evidence-based design created by doctors and nurses with the patient at the center. We continuously invest in renovations, including new facilities for cancer care, cardiovascular care and rehabilitation, pediatrics, and intensive care. We've also completely reinvented our operating room space, including a hybrid OR.
We have a very dedicated senior leadership who have put quality at the top of their priority list, but it really is the frontline staff who are going to carry out that quality. And we are trying to promote the culture that this is our #1 priority, and quality and safety is in the best interest of all of our patients.
Billings Clinic has received numerous national awards for patient safety and quality. We were the first hospital in Montana to receive Magnet designation as a result of excellence in nursing.
Magnet is important to our employees and to our organization because it really elevates the care that we give to an entirely other level, and to make sure that we're providing the latest evidence-based care so that our patients get the very best.
Billings Clinic joined the Mayo Clinic Care Network, offering access to additional resources for complex diagnoses and treatment. In addition, Billings Clinic launched Montana's first internal medicine residency program, a testament to our mission of advancing healthcare, education, and research. Billings Clinic is growing to serve the needs of our patients and community with state-of-the-art facilities, offering a healing environment and leading-edge technology. Our vision is to achieve the best in national clinical quality, patient safety, service, and value. As we proudly look to the future with a focus to be an innovative national leader, the only way we will have continued success serving the needs of our patients will be through the combined efforts of our physicians, nurses, employees, volunteers, donors, board members, and community.
Billings Clinic is a great place to work, and what makes it so special is its people. We have people who come to work each day and working together as teams provide incredible care throughout our entire region.